Hello everyone, how's it going today? Out here, it's a Sunday. I thought about sawing up some of this wood out here before the crews come back tomorrow. And I was tempted to get out my electric, my little Worx electric chainsaw, and tackle some of this just to use it. But in looking at it, this is some pretty big diameter stuff. Bigger than what I thought. Let's go look at that little Worx. I don't think that blade is that big on this one. So I got a couple saws we can pick from here. So we got the pull-on. My big pull-on probe with a 20-inch bar. That's a possibility. So we've got that saw. And then I've got my Husky 61, which is a big saw. I have not run this saw in years. With a 24-inch bar on it. This is a big boy. So let's set this one aside. So we got the Husky. Let's put this one right here. That's a 61 with a 24-inch bar on it. Great saw. I just need to use it. Pull on a lot lighter. And then I've got my little Worx, my little limbing saw. So we got the little Worx electric. I think that's only, that might be a 10-inch bar. 10, 8, who knows, somewhere around there, 8 to 10 inch. So over here, yeah, this is about a foot in diameter. Gotta do it, it's gonna take some time, but we can do these with the electric. I could probably do 2 of these. Alright, that'll work. Well, let me get some oil in this. I got the extension cord, and my good buddy, my gig user, asked about the Bluetti AC180 power station, and I thought, man, this is a great opportunity to use that, because that is a fantastic power station. I've got the AC180, and then I've got the big AC 200 Max, that 2 kilowatt. Well, this will be perfect for that 180. Let me just grab it. Oh, guys, come on out. Got the dogs. Let me grab the power station here. So here you go. Got the 180 right here. Let's take it out. Should put it in the cart. Keep it off the ground. That's actually a good idea. Alright, let me get it all set up here and we'll jump back. Alright, one moment. Alright, so we're getting just took a test cut. Got everything set up here with the Bluetti. Let's do some cuts. Yeah, let's see how this thing works. Alright, back at it. Again, see, it's kind of weird, but that's all right. See, we're just beyond the diameter. All right, let's set you up. Let's set you up on the Bluetti, We'll see what kind of power we're drawing here. That was one cut. Do another cut. I'll tell you what. If I was in the market for another chainsaw, I would not buy a gas. I'd buy a bigger electric. These things cut through this wood without any problem. Now, hardwood, probably would be a different story, but man, maple, it cuts this stuff without any problems. Well, the Worx is getting plenty of power. Not bogging down at all. That Bluetti is working like a champ. Working good. Alright, you all, thanks for stopping by on this one. Using the Worx, powered, sawing down using the Bluetti AC180. Alright, we'll see you on the next one.